Hey Masa Alumni, your journey in Israel doesn't have to end when your program does. Part of the Masa Alumni community, you have access to exclusive benefits. One of the most exciting being the Masa Work Visa for Alumni. The special opportunity allows you to stay in Israel, continue gaining that work experience, and continue deepening your connection to this country. Step 1, your timeline to apply. To take advantage of this exclusive Masa Alumni benefit, here's what you need to know. You can start your application up to 2 weeks before your program ends. You have 4 weeks after your program finishes to complete your application. However, you must be in Israel while applying, and you must stay until your application is approved. Leaving before approval will result in losing eligibility. Important to note, if you're participating in Masa Volunteers after your long-term program of 4 to 10 months, you must apply for your alumni work visa according to the end date of your long-term program. Step 2, how to apply. The application is fully online and handled through the Population and Immigration Authority of Israel. Here's how to get started. Click on the application link below this video and fill in your details on the first page and click Next. Upload the required documents. You'll need a copy of your passport, valid for at least 2 more years, a completed and signed status request form, which you can find here in the application itself. Be sure though to write or type at the top of the form, Masa Work Visa for Alumni, B1 Visa Request. You'll also need a copy of your birth certificate and your Masa Letter of Program Completion, which you can download from your Masa portal starting 2 weeks before your program ends. Step 3, submit and get approved. Once everything is uploaded, submit your application. You will receive an email confirmation from the Population and Immigration Authority once your Masa Work Visa for Alumni is granted. Final reminders. You must submit your application while still in Israel. You cannot leave Israel, though, until your Masa Work Visa for Alumni is approved. Applications submitted from outside of Israel or past the deadline will not be accepted. Your Masa journey doesn't have to end here. The Masa Work Visa for Alumni is just one of the many ways Masa keeps you connected, supported, and thriving long after your program ends. As a Masa alum, like myself, you're part of a global network with exclusive opportunities for career growth, community, and continued engagement in Israel and around the world. Visit our website to explore alumni events, professional development, and more ways to stay connected. Learn more at masaisrael.org and follow us on Instagram at Masa Israel.